Hey guys, so in this video I want to share with you some of our amazing Lift the Flap books. Usborne is definitely known for our Lift the Flap nonfiction readers. So let's go ahead and get started. So our newest one is What is the Moon? So Lift the Flap, very first questions and answers, what is the moon? So the child opens it up, and like I said, it's a flap book. So they can open up the flap there. They can turn the page, banana shape. Now it's a crescent moon, so they're looking at the shape of the moon. What is the moon made of? And they pull the flap down. The moon is a massive ball of rock in space, showing where planet Earth is, where the moon is. So I love it. It's educational, it's fun, it's basic enough, and it's small bite-sized pieces of information that the child isn't going to get overwhelmed, and the flaps make it really interactive. So love that one. Another very popular favorite is What is Poop? Great for potty training. We also have a potty training book as well that's a Lift the Flap that just came out as well, but this one goes hand in hand with that. We also have What are Germs, which also goes hand in hand, teaching them hand in hand, which teaches them how to properly wash their hands. But What is Poop is hilarious, you guys. Oh my gosh, this one says, how much poop does an elephant do? This much every day. And boys especially, you guys, they just think it's so silly. What happens when they flush it down the toilet? They could open up the pipes and it goes all the way down and it goes onto the fields. So this one's amazing, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. So we have a ton of those. We also have some Peek Inside Zoo, Forest. So they're just incredible. Okay, another Lift the Flap that's kind of newish is Look Inside Seas and Oceans. I just love, even from the cover, it's just so beautiful. And there you have the whole Earth, and there, even from the get-go, the Arctic Ocean, they can lift that flap and look under. This talks about polar bears and what's going on with the ice, you know, the ice caps. So along the coast, so it's taking each kind of area. And here's the rocky reef, and they can, I mean, just look at that. How beautiful is that? So colorful and gorgeous. So those are Seas and Oceans. Look inside. Okay, next we have Look Inside Your Body, which is one of my favorites. My boys loved it. It's all about anatomy, and it's all about the body. So they open it up. There's flaps within flaps, and they can open that up and see the skeleton, open up the ribs, and they see the lungs. Each page has its own. This is about what happens when you eat and what happens, and my boys always love that, and they poop it out. This one goes into the circulatory, what the heart does, and the lungs. So this is a great one, all about the brain. Look Inside Your Body. Awesome one. Okay, next we have Bug Hotel. And we also have one that's called Birdhouse, but Bug Hotel is super cool. It looks like a little house. I love it. And if you have a little bug lover, this is the perfect one for them. So they can open it up. This one says, the hollows in bamboo canes are an ideal place for solitary bees, bumblebees, and wasps to make their nests, lay eggs, and escape bad weather. So a great nonfiction book, talks about what happens. A caterpillar becomes a butterfly. And the flaps just give it that little fun factor. So love this one, Bug Hotel. And we also have Birdhouse as well, which is a great hit. Okay, next for your younger ones, I suggest these Lift and Look books. They're a little bit more sturdy. The flaps are a little bit thicker, so they don't tear as easily. And also in these, there's a little Henny the hen that they're trying to find behind one of the flaps. Let's see if we can find her. There she is right there. So cute. So this is tractors. We have dinosaurs. We also have construction sites. Love that. Okay, next we have our Lift the Flap General Knowledge. So my boys love this one. It's for your older child, maybe a little older, like at least 4 or 5, and it has just so much information, you guys. So true and false. This one's all about the world, about the ocean, so you can tell it's been loved by my boys. So they're looking there, how the size of a whale compares, what they eat. This has a science lab. Love it, love it, love it. All about entertainment, pulling it down. So this one has karaoke means empty orchestra in Japanese. I didn't know that. Super cool. Love this one too. All right, so this is General Knowledge Lift the Flap. 1 second. And then the last one, our newish one, is Lift the Flap Bugs and Butterflies. So this is all about bugs and butterflies. Like I said, there's probably 8 to 10 flaps on each page, so they're incredible. Look at those illustrations, so beautiful. And once again, great for learning. So lots of beetles are out at night. Male coccifer beetles have big frondy feelers. They use them to find female beetles in the dark by detecting the chemicals they make. Super interesting stuff, you guys. So if you have a bug, butterfly, lover, this is a good one. I would say 5 and up for this one. All right, you guys, that about does it for some of our great Lift the Flap books. Hope you found something you liked. See you next time.